here at Robin Ridge on the campus of Woodcrest Villa. Let's go take a look. Working on the hallway renovations. Fourth hallway on the fourth floor is pretty much completed. We're on the third floor. We have carpet to do and a little bit of wall covering. But the majority of those things should be taken care of by the end of this week. Second floor should be completed by the end of May. First floor should be completed by the end of June. So next time we're here, we're going to take a look at the flooring, which should all be completed. All the ceiling tiles should be in, all the lights should be in, and the only thing that will be missing will be the elevator renovation and a little bit of the flooring. See you next time.